I will just log in now and explain. Okay, anyone tuning in on YouTube, I apparently clicked go live and didn't click it properly, and therefore we did not go live. So my apologies. It's the first time that's happened. And I will double check that from here forward. I think I've done 100 of these at least now. And there you go. Oops. Okay. Was there a resolution on the no insurance charge?
Yes, it turns out that Ms. Aguilar Santos believed that she was entering a guilty plea. She just needed a payment plan.
Oh,
So
okay.
what I did was offer her deferred to keep it off her record since
Okay.
proof is in the file. And so she does have an inability to pay. And we want
Okay.
to talk about that.
Yes, ma'am. I'll move forward and I'll go ahead and move you to the last pretrial with Elias Hernandez.
Okay.
Mr. Hernandez, you're
Ron,
going to have to.
if I may, Mr. Hernandez is driving and I'm
Yeah, I was just about to say, Mr. Hernandez, court didn't realize you're driving. I'm going to remove you from the meeting unless you can pull over now. Do not focus on the camera. In fact, you can dial back in because you're breaking the law in front of me. So you'll have to call back in and we're about to close down. So you better pull over. I've been looking at his arm and didn't realize it was a car event.
Yeah. He changed his shirt in the middle of the proceedings.
Okay. I will follow the recommendation on Ms. Aguilar Santos. I don't think I have a payment application. Okay. Ms. Aguilar Santos?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to ask you to step out of your car for a moment and prove to me that you're not moving. let me see where you're located. Okay, where are you located at this time? Where are you located at this time?
What do you mean? Where? What town? Or what
Where
do you
are
mean?
you located at this time?
I'm at the car wash in
You
Belton.
act like I should know that.
Well, I don't know what you're asking me.
Yeah, well, you know, for one thing, driving with a device that you look at is illegal in Texas. Okay. It is illegal to be on a video call when you drive in Texas. And I did not realize that, or I would have kicked you out of the meeting a long time ago because you've just been breaking the law on the screen the whole time. And apparently you
wasn't.
changed clothes. So I don't want to caution you anymore about appropriate behavior. And I don't want to have a discussion about it either. This isn't a discussion. I'm the judge. I'm letting you know. If you do anything like that again, I'll just bar you from this kind of meeting and you'll have to come in.
All right, sorry.
Don't do it again. I'm going to let you go into a meeting room. Please behave appropriately or Ms. Warren will leave the meeting and I will kick you out.
All right.
Okay, Ms. Santos,
Yes.
sorry, Ms. Aguilar Santos, what I need from you is a form that is gonna spell out your financial situation.
Okay.
Are you in a position to print something and write it out and scan it back over? Okay, that's okay. That's just my first way to try to solve the problem. So my next thought is, how about if you were able to get that paperwork over to us today?
Okay,
But
the only thing is that I take care of my daughter and my autistic son,
okay,
grandson. That's the reason.
okay. So, and they can't travel. It's a
Uh,
question.
Right now, I don't have a vehicle right now because
Okay,
I got stopped in. The freeze messed up my motor when that freeze came in.
yeah,
So I don't have a vehicle right now. I mean, I
okay,
can call somebody to come take me over there to
yeah.
sign paperwork if I have to, but I don't have a transportation right now.
Okay, here's my thought. Okay, let me get some answers to some questions real quickly. We'll
Okay.
get your deferred order ready. We'll reschedule you for 2 weeks in hopes that you can get by here between now and then
Okay.
and get it signed, and that'll cancel that meeting. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Are you, sorry, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the information you're providing is true, correct, and accurate? So help you God?
Yes.
Okay. And are you working at this time?
Yes, I work out at Anderton Castings in Troy. It used to be
That's-
called CNH Die Casting. Yeah.
And how do you get to work?
A coworker of mine takes me and brings me back home.
Okay. Is that full-time work?
Yes, I work second shift from 3 o'clock to 11:30.
And what is your paycheck like every 2 weeks? Y'all are paid every 2 weeks at
Every
CNH.
week. No, I get paid
What day of the week?
Fridays.
And what does your paycheck look like?
It depends because right now we're working from 6 to 7 days a week. So we're looking maybe about 6 to 7 a week.
And are you the only income to your home?
As for right now, yes.
And you had listed at least 2 dependents. Do you have more than 2 dependents?
No, just those two.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Hernandez seems to be confused. Sent him a request to move himself to the main session. There he is. Ma'am, I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Okay, this is a case, Mr. Hernandez, of failing to notify uh, of a rabies vaccination after reclaiming the dog. So, Ms. Warren, do we have a resolution? Or are we moving forward to trial?
No, Mr. Hernandez changed his plea.
To
In
no
exchange to no contest, yes.
Okay,
I've reduced the fine to 100.
okay,
And then the costs are 76.
okay. I will sign that. Payment by what date?
We didn't discuss that.
Mr. Hernandez, can you make payment within 30 days? That will save you some money.
Yes.
Okay. I need your signature on that today. Can we email that to you and you print it and sign it and get it back to us today before close of business?
Yes.
Okay. So it's a plea form and a payment application and a payment plan of 30 days. We'll send that to you. Get that done today or your case will move forward to warrant. Okay,
All right. Thank you.
thank you.
Can I just turn it off now?
Yes. Ms. Warren, thank you for your time today. I'm still going to work with Ms. Aguilar Santos, so I'll
Okay.
just remove you from the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, Ms. Aguilar Santos. So, what is your rent like?
It's $535 a month.
And your bills roughly total?
Well, with
Water,
there-
electric?
the water comes out to like 100, and then the light bill has been out to like about $300. Because I've only been at this address in December. When we moved here, we got quarantined because I myself got corona, and my daughter and my grandson. So
Okay. What about your phone?
my phone is between myself and my daughter-in-law. I pay 50, she pays 50. So
Okay. And like other internet,
my daughter pays the internet. It's in her name.
okay, good. What about insurance, car?
The car insurance, I have not paid it because I can't even drive it. The motor's cracked at the bottom from when the freeze hit. I didn't know it cracked the car had overheated on me coming back from the corner store. And when I got here, all the fluid just came out of the vehicle.
Okay.
So I had a
And-
mechanic come and look at it, and they tell me underneath the motor, underneath the vehicle, it's cracked. So the car is no good.
Okay. So, what other like bills do you have?
That's basically it for right now. I mean, besides providing for food and taking care of my grandson, like because he's still in diapers. So
Okay. Do you receive food stamps?
no, ma'am.
Okay. And do any of the children?
My daughter does, but she takes care of her and her son with that.
Okay. Right now, I'm not showing you to be indigent. How about transportation? What else are you paying for that we haven't
I
talked
pay
about?
transportation to go back and forth to work.
Okay. What is that amount?
$30 a week.
Okay. What other bills do you have?
That's basically it, ma'am.
Okay. And then as far as food costs, you and the two children that you take care of, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else that you're taking care of?
My other grandson, which I have custody of him, but since I work night shifts and we're working 7 days a week, he does stay in Rogers with his auntie, and I do give her money for him.
Okay, what do you give her?
I give her at least 100, maybe 75 to 100 a week, so that way I know he's taken care of if he needs anything. Now, if she doesn't, if she calls me, tells me he doesn't need anything, then she goes, don't worry about it. You know, it's just like $20. Don't worry about it. But
Okay.
that's what I take care of him.
Okay. I can grant the deferred disposition.
Okay.
I'm still not able to order community service.
No,
I can,
I just needed payment plans to make the payments
okay.
because when they had the corona, I'm still back pay on some of my other things.
Yes.
So,
you were without income for a period of
yes.
time.
Yes.
Okay, I can do a reduction. So let me get you a total number, and then we'll go from there. Okay, state costs are 81. And let's reduce the fine to half. Okay, ma'am, based on income and circumstances, I've reduced your fine to half. And
Okay.
that changes the total to 181.
Okay.
If I split that into 2 payments and give you some time, it would be 2 payments of 91 and 90.
Okay.
And when could you make the first payment? If we, like, let's say 30-ish days from today.
I can do it next week. I should be able to pay the full amount next week.
Okay.
So
Why don't we say this? Let's say by March 26th, it's done.
Okay.
Okay, that gives you 2 full weeks, 3 payments, 3 paychecks away.
Okay.
Okay. And so what I'm going to do is reschedule you. Well, we're doing payment. So I'm going to email your paperwork to you.
Okay.
Can you print it somewhere and bring it by?
I'm sure I can.
Or you could come here
Yeah.
within the next week. Okay.
Okay. I can get somebody to take me over there
Uh-huh.
and have them, so that way I can go sign the paperwork.
Okay. Let's schedule you to come no later than reset by the 25th.
Okay.
And by then we should have signature and payment.
All right.
The 20s, I'm sorry, scratch that. Reset her to March 30th, and it'll cancel if she's done everything. Right. Sorry, my thinking. Okay, so March 30th is your new court date. We
Okay.
will have your paperwork in your file. Between
Okay.
now and the 30th, if you swing by, you can sign it and make payment all on the same day, so you're not getting multiple rides.
Okay.
And the court date on the 30th will cancel if you've done everything. If you
All right.
haven't, you're going to log in and talk to me about what's happened. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We always plan for what if,
Yeah.
Okay? All right. We will see you at the front desk. Prepare to just, we mask in, we do the COVID questions. We get you in and out real fast. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.